Rich from Bristol D10 Supplies. I'm one of the founders of Bristol D10 Supplies. We're going to run through some product usage today, show you a bit more about the products, how to use them, how the benefits are and how they actually work and what results you get from given products. Today's product we're going to show you is Renew, our leather cleaner, alongside Cleanse, our Scrubby Pads. We'll be using a couple of our microfibers as well, so they're available on the website as well. So check this out. Right, today we've got the Suzuki Vitara here. It's a 20 plate, so it's not immensely old, but it has its usage. So in this case, the leather in this car is half leather. It's the steering wheel focus, and also the seats are focused to the edges where they're half leather that we'll be using the product on today. So we'll be showing you the benefits of it. The steering wheel itself is currently in a shiny state, which is what we call a dirty state. Matte is how you know that leather is clean. So we'll be looking at making that today using these two products, Cleanse and Renew, our leather cleaner. Right, so we're in the car. Steering wheel itself has got a shine on it. It'll probably also have some build up of skin and residues from what we collect on our fingers in general everyday usage on the stalks and on the back of the steering wheel generally. Renew is our leather cleaner. It's a simple to use leather scented product. It has a light conditioner in, but ultimately this is a cleaner for us to use today. Cleanse, our Scrubby Pads, they come as a trio pack, 3 different colours, 3 different jobs. If you're doing APC, you can use different colours so you know which colour you're actually using the product for. Grab one out to show you. One side is the microfiber side, the other side is our scrubby side. Loads of little fine, effectively microfiber needles. They'll work through all the details of our steering wheel and also our leather, textured leather fabric here. Microfibers today, we're going to be using a 400 GSM cloth. It's a short and long pole that we've got in orange, nice and bright colour. But this will effectively, we're going to use one to coat the dashboard so we don't get the spray everywhere. And the second one we're going to use just to cleanse after we've done our cleaning with our cleanse pad. So the way to use this product is we can spray it directly onto the surface. If we had a larger surface area like a whole seat, then yeah, that works. In this case, it's quite a small surface area. So if we spray it, it literally will go everywhere, which is why you've put our cloth here, but we want to reduce the spray that goes over the other component in this vehicle. So the way we can do this is actually spray it onto the pad. So we can give it a few squirts into our pad. And then what we're going to do then is work this. So as you can see, it's white as white at the moment. So it's super clean, it's brand new. So we're just going to work on the top section of the steering wheel here, round the front, into the little stitching bits around the side as well, just to get that grime out of it. But around the back as well, to make sure we cleanse the back. And we just work around in a steady motion. We've done a fair few of these Suzukis, but one thing you should do is also do a bit of a patch check, just to make sure your steering wheel is compatible with using these products and using the Scrubby Pad. This is just half the steering wheel clean, and just round the back of the finger catchment areas. And then I will show you, this is the sort of stuff we're getting off. So there's instantaneous change in the level of dirt. I'm going to continue around the steering wheel. So also you can go around the buttons as well. Also a build up of grime on the buttons can happen. So it's always good to cleanse everywhere. So we'll get around, work around our steering wheel, making sure we get around the backs as well. I'll try and get this Suzuki back in good order. So there, once we've gone round, as you can see, huge change in the colour of the pad. What we're going to do now is just wipe what's left on the steering wheel off using our clean microfiber cloth. As you can see already from the quick wipe off, you will see the matte colour that's come back to the steering wheel, which is what it would have originally been from the factory. Just making sure you take any of the bits off the buttons as well, any lasting residue. And there we go. That is one clean steering wheel. Right, so as you can see now, there's a real strong matte texture to it. All that shine is gone. And this is a clean steering wheel now. This is clean leather. So to the touch, we've taken all the impurities back off and taken this back to our factory finish.